First, open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. If you want to master advanced Higgsfield AI techniques, start by becoming comfortable with the basic video generation workflow. Once you understand basic prompting, begin experimenting with more detailed control over your scenes. Start by creating structured prompts that separate the important elements of your scene. Describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, mood, composition, and visual style. For example, you could describe a cinematic character walking through a futuristic city while the camera slowly tracks backward. Neon lights reflect on wet streets. Soft atmospheric fog fills the scene, and dramatic cinematic lighting creates a premium film look. Next, experiment with different camera movements. Try slow tracking shots, camera pushes, pullouts, orbit movements, aerial perspectives, or other movements available in the current Higgsfield AI workflow. Use camera movement intentionally rather than adding movement just for the sake of it. Another advanced technique is maintaining consistency between scenes. Keep important details such as character appearance, clothing, environment, color palette, and visual style consistent throughout your project. When available, use reference images or image-based workflows to help maintain visual continuity.